Hey everyone, it's Des, and today I have a bathroom organization video for you. So I picked these up at Target. It's a 5-bin package. It was $9.99. I will be organizing this mess. And then also over here in the storage area. Let's go through all this junk. So these are my makeup cleaning pads. I don't really like this brand from Target. If you know of any that are better, that don't like get fuzzy stuff like on your skin or in your eyes, let me know. So this one I'm going to keep in one of the little containers. And I have a bunch of just loose rubber bands, so I'm also going to keep one of those. Random cups and spoons. And I use a Diva cup. I don't know if any of you have tried it, but I really suggest it. It's pretty nice, so I'm going to keep that in one of the bins. So I'm going to keep this bin as like backstock, so let's do this. And I'm going to go through everything I want to keep and what I want to throw away. This is the endless supply of Q-tips my sister got me for Christmas because I go in her room and I take her Q-tips every time I go in there. But little does she know, I still use them sometimes. We'll see if she watched my videos, because then she'll say something if she does. So these I'm keeping, obviously. If you've ever had a baby, then you know that this is a lifesaver. I like to put a few drops in the shower before I get in it, especially when I'm sick. It works wonders. It's eucalyptus essential oils. Hair trimming stuff I'm going to keep in this rectangular bin. Some more hair clipping things. These are all just clips, I think, so.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe and be on the lookout for my car cleaning and organization video coming up. And then also my next weigh-in, number 6. It's been 6 months. I can't believe it. But yeah. Anyways, be on the lookout for that. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
This I'm gonna put back in the this I'm putting back with all the medicine stuff.